Yeah, of course. May ice cream, guys. Wow, I see. You see the ice cream there. Ice cream tayo. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. You want ice cream? You want to eat ice cream? Are you happy? Alis na kami, guys. Punta na kami ng Isla Hardin. I'm here. I'm gonna take a video. Ito mga karga, guys. Medyo marami ito, guys. Kay tagal kami doon. 3 taon kami doon. Ang cute ng mga flower. Ito ko kayo muna dito sa flower ng aking sista. Ganda ng kanyang mga flower. Yes, that is another motor. Ah, okay. Big motor. Yeah. Motor there. Ito ko kayo sa mga flower. It's no nice. Ito muna tayo saglit while waiting. Naka-cute lagi. What's this? It's so cute. Go there. Mag-ano muna ako tour muna ako dito. Okay, dito guys sa ano. Go there. Go inside. Where's Shana? Why she's crying? I heard she cry. I heard she's crying. No, I don't want to go there because I don't. It's hard to go up. You help me? You help me? Or go there?